Let me read off a few mom reports using the peanut ball. I got these from Lamaze.org. While in labor with my son, my dilation and contraction slowed down after I got my epidural. I was stuck at 7.5 centimeters for around 4 hours, even with water bag broken. A new nurse came on shift and said, "Oh, we'll get this baby out in under an hour." That's a pretty big promise to make. So she's probably seen how good this peanut ball is working. She came back with a peanut-shaped birthing ball. I laid on my side and put the ball between my knees. Within 10 minutes, I was at a 10. Oh my gosh. So another mom reported, "The peanut ball worked and put me at 10 centimeters, 100% thinned out and ready to go within just 45 minutes. And another, she had me lay on my side on a peanut ball for about a half an hour and he turned right around." Okay, first things first, we have to understand the concept of letting baby in the pelvis and then letting baby out of the pelvis. And we can totally do this by positioning our legs and our pelvis in certain ways to open the inlet of the pelvis and open the outlet of the pelvis at the correct time. The flying cowgirl. This is normally in the early or active phase of labor when your baby is high in the pelvis. So that means a -3, -2, or a -1 station in your pelvis. And this position is a pelvic inlet opener to increase baby head engagement. So this is when you are side lying with the peanut ball in between your knees and the knees are positioned far from your abdomen. The back is arched and the pelvis is thrusted forward. The soles of your feet are stacked but far away. Try for 30 minutes on each side with regular contractions. Use it for 3 to 6 contractions on one side and then switch to the other side and repeat. Okay, so once baby is engaged and baby is in mid-pelvis, which is at 0 station, this is normally in early and active labor. This position is a mid-pelvis opener and great for supporting fetal rotation. This is called the semi-sitting position. As you can see, very epidural friendly. In a semi-reclined position, one leg over the ball and one leg to the side of the ball. The ball is pushed close to the mom's hips as possible. And if the peanut ball seems to be slipping away, you can put a towel in front of it for a little more support. The sideline position is another great one to use when resting or when you're using an epidural. With the peanut ball between the legs, the ball can be angled so that the knee hooks around the narrower part or aligned with both mom's knees and ankles resting on the ball, with unstacked hips lunging towards the belly and bottom leg kicked back. Switching sides every 1 to 2 hours or as frequently as every 20 minutes. Last but not least, but when baby is engaged, already in the inlet of the pelvis, usually at a +1, +2, +3 station, and in the transition or pushing phase of labor. It is a pelvic outlet opener as the baby descends down into the birth canal and out for delivery. So this is called the internal thigh rotation. So you want the ball in between your ankles, so not at your knees, lower down at your ankles, heels pointed out and knees touching, and forward with the neutral spine and sacrum space. So yes, I did say knees together when pushing. This is not your typical feet and stirrups position. This is a pelvic outlet opener. The sits bones on your pelvis are wider than before when your knees are together. So that's all I have for you in this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.